Hello everyone. So here we will check the cost of redeemable debt. So there is a company X which is issuing a debenture worth rupees 1000 at present, and it is issuing the debenture to person Y at rupees 1000, means at rupees face value of that debenture. So person Y will pay rupees 1000 to company X, and the company X will issue a debenture worth rupees 1000 to person Y. Fine. So now let's take the case of redemption. At the time of redemption. So what is the meaning of redemption? In the case of redemption, the person Y will return back the debenture to company X, and the company X will pay the redemption value to person Y. Fine. So let us suppose that the redemption period is 10 years. Time 10 years. So in this case, the debenture was issued at rupees, issue price was rupees 1000. So at the time of redemption, it can be done in three cases: at discount. I am telling the case of redemption, right? So redemption. Then the second case is at par, and the third is at premium. So in the case of redemption at discount, company X will pay back the amount less than the face value, means it will pay approximately, we can say, any amount less than 1000. So it can be, let us take example of rupees 950. Fine. When it is redeemed at par, the company X will pay back rupees 1000, and in the case of redemption at premium, it will pay more than rupees 1000. So let us take rupees 1050. So in which of the following case the company is getting profit? Which of the case is profitable for the company? This is profitable for the company. Because the company has to pay back less amount than the face value. Fine. Similar can be the case in the case of issue of redeemable debt. At the time of issue can be done at discount, at par, at premium. So the face value, you can see here that the face value was rupees 1000. If it is issued at discount, it means that company X will get amount less than rupees 1000. Fine. So the company X will get rupees 950. So it is a, you can say it is a loss for the company, means loss of rupees 50 for the company, because the company is getting rupees 50 less than the face value. Loss for the company. When it is issued at par, rupees 1000, and when it is issued at premium, so suppose the demand of the debentures of the company is very high in the market, the company can issue the debenture at premium. Fine. So in the case of premium, the company will get amount more than rupees 1000. So let us take an example, rupees 1050. Fine. So now when we have to find out the cost of redeemable debt, we will check the formula. Cost of it will be, first of all, interest amount that the company has to pay minus multiplied by 1 minus tax rate, as I had discussed in the previous video. So this is the cost paid by the company for the redeemable date. Also we have to include all the profit or loss that can occur due to that particular date. So if the share is issued at discount, fine. If it is issued at discount, so it is a loss for the company. So we can say that discount on issue will be added on the cost. Discount on issue, right, because it was loss for the company. Also if it is redeemed at premium, then it is a loss for the company. So we will add that also, plus premium on redemption and what we can do in this case, let us say we have taken the case of discount on issue, then we have taken the case of premium on redemption, and if there is any premium on issue of debentures, so if there is any premium on issue of debentures, then that is a, we can say that is a profit for us, right, for the company. So we have to subtract that premium on issue. And since the issue is done at present and redemption is done at the end of maturity, so there is a time gap between these two cases. So suppose redemption is done after 10 years, so there is time gap of 10 years and the cost will be equally divided among 10 years. So we will divide this by n. Fine. Also we have to include one more cheese. There may be cases when there is a flotation cost, means cost incurred on the agent commission or any other thing, so that we have to add, we can say flotation cost. So what all things we have taken into account? Interest amount that we have to pay annually multiplied by 1 minus tax rate, plus this is one time expense and it has to be divided among all the number of years. Fine. So flotation cost plus discount on issue, because it is a loss for the company, so it is a cost, so we have added here. Also premium on redemption, this case, so that is also to be added, minus premium on issue of debentures, divide by n, means number of years, and this is to be divided by, since we are taking the annual cost, we will divide by the we can say redeemable value plus sale proceeds of the issue of debentures. So suppose the debenture was issued at rupees 1000 and there was a flotation cost of rupees 50, so we will take 950. So we can say net sale proceeds on issue divide by 2, because we are taking the average, right? So take an example, it can be redemption can be done at rupees 1000 and if the net proceeds was rupees 950, So we will take 1000 plus 950 by 2. It will be 975. Fine. So now let us take an example. The question as mentioned in the book is, a company issues a new 10% debentures of rupees 1000 face value to be redeemed. Means the company is issuing now and it will be redeemed after 10 years. The debenture is expected to be sold at 5% discount. So this is a case of issue of debentures at discount. It will also involve flotation cost of 5% on face value. The company's tax rate is 35%. What would be the cost of debt? Fine. So what is the issue price of the debenture? Issue price will be rupees 1000 minus 5% discount. It is rupees 950. And there is a flotation cost of rupees 5% on face value. It is rupees 50. So net sale proceeds from issue of debentures is equal to rupees 1000 minus rupees 50 discount minus rupees 50 flotation cost is equal to rupees 900, right? So we have checked this point. 10% debentures interest rate is 10%. So here we have to find out the cost of debt. So KD is equal to interest rate multiplied by 1 minus tax rate plus flotation cost plus discount on issue plus premium on redemption minus premium on issue divide by n divide by redeemable value plus net sale proceeds by 2. So in this case interest is 10%, right? And interest is always paid on the face value. So interest will be 10% of rupees 1000, that is 100 multiplied by 1 minus tax rate 0.35 plus, is there any flotation cost? Yes, 50 rupees. Is there any discount on issue? Yes, 50 rupees. Is there any premium on redemption? No. And is there any premium on issue? No. So this will be 50 plus 50 divided by number of years is 10 and divide by how much we need to pay at the time of redemption, rupees 1000, and net sale proceeds was rupees 950 as calculated above. So divide by 2. After calculation it will be 65 plus 100 by 10, that is